doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away, but I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a
If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.